Alright, here we go. 8-pill rebuild for Mr. SmallBlock. Got her all done up for you there, brother. Everything's looking good. Driving it with a little 2-pill. We got the 2500 watt slug up in there. We're going to look at this meter here. Get everything ready to go. About 250 watt dead key. Oh yeah, one. And to let you know, we're on 14 volts. So we don't have it on the big power supply right now. So we put on that 1200 bird, no problem all day long with the little 2-pill going into it. So you're good to go. Hope you enjoy it. If you got something like this and you need it done, give us a shout. We'll help you out. We'll stick man at the No Name MCB shop and we're gone.